Hi, and welcome to another Wednesday Musings. Today we're going to share about miracles, especially when it comes to relocation to a new area. So to make a very long story short, as you may know, I am back in Sedona, Arizona, my homeland. Now, how I got here within 4 weeks is a miracle in itself, but I'll share you the highlights. So I was given in two channel readings, probably over a year ago, from two different sources. And the Sedona move was not prompted by any questions or any subject matter in the readings. So this happened within about a 2-week period from two different sources that I trusted. And they both said, sort of matter of factly, oh, and by the way, you're going to be moving back to Sedona. And when I heard that, my heart just jumped for joy. I just got really instantaneously excited. So after readings, well, I started to think, wow, man, to move back to Sedona, where I had been for 4 years up until 2019, wow, that would be a blessing. So I had looked off and on in listings, including Craigslist, and nothing appealing. And I was on this list of this property management company out of Cottonwood. And she would always send me weekly listings. Of course, I weren't interested in any of them really. I did check out one or two, but I didn't check out anything over my price range because I had set a limit for what I wanted to pay for rent. And one time she sent me this listing and it was over what I wanted to pay for it, but for some reason I clicked on it. And I viewed the photos and everything and was not really impressed. You know, I didn't want it and I did not want it. I was very neutral when I was looking at this listing. But then I read that the lease could be negotiable for a few years. And I thought, well, that's very rare for Sedona. So I inquired. And in the meantime, I sent the owner, who happened to own a property management company in Sedona, an old application that I had filled out for renters, my credit, screenshot of my credit score, my driver's license, a little letter stating what I was looking for and that I was an ideal renter, recent photo, you know, that kind of stuff, to kind of let the person know that I was a legit person and very serious about renting a place long term. So eventually I got an appointment interview and I asked my friend in Sedona if she would come interview for me, which she did. And the first interview date was canceled and postponed to Saturday. And then I thought, wow, I'm probably going to be the last interview. And there's probably been a zillion people already interviewed for it and want it. And, okay, but we'll do it anyway. So we FaceTime. I got to meet the owner. And my friend showed me some of the pictures of the rooms in the backyard. And she said, Kenji, you got to take this or else you're going to have to wait another year to move here. Now, what transpired a few days before that was our dear friend Sheila Gale had made sudden passage to the other side. And apparently she was literally with my friend in the house. And she was, I am sure in her own way, talking the owner into offering me the house, that I would be his ideal renter for like forever. And being bold in this situation and not really being attached to getting the rental or not getting, and I was still very neutral, like, okay. I had offered him an offer and he came back with a counter offer, which was at the price range that I had offered. and with a 2-year fixed lease. I had asked for 4. He came back with 2 with the possibility that the lease would be renegotiated at maybe a slightly emphasized higher price. But I was okay with that. Well, he offered me the home, and I was actually surprised because I was very neutral about the whole thing. Although Sheila Gale was working her magic in that room in the home at that time, and my friend was aware that she was there energetically. And I also got the impression that because Sheila left, it opened up a door for me to move into Sedona. Almost like they had a limit of how many star seeds could live or rent in Sedona at any one time. Kind of weird, but it could be kind of accurate. But I feel that Sheila's passing did help open the door for me to get that place. So we had help from the other side. Now, the neat thing was, from the time that I said yes and release, the time that I actually unloaded everything and got pretty much everything set up in this new home was 4 weeks, a little over 4 weeks. And I'm still thinking about that and going, wow, that is amazing. I can't believe that we did it with all the help that I had asked for, with the transport of my stuff and my car and me flying back to Phoenix Airport from Asheville. The packing, the loading up, the unloading, the unpacking, and the setting up. Wow, a little over 4 weeks. And I was all set to go in my new house. That to me is still amazing. I could have never done it on my own in that amount of time. So I consider this a miracle. Everything went smoothly in spite of Penske truck issues, which never caused an accident, but we had the angels flying along the Penske truck, going almost 2,000 miles. And I so appreciate the help that I got. Packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, setting up. Amazing. I'm so grateful. So I wanted to share that miracle story with you, that if by chance you are prompted to move on, literally on a moment's notice, that you jump on it, because the timing, if not taken then, may not come around for a while again. So I had learned, because my mind thought, oh God, there's no way I can get this all done for a March move-in. This was late January. I thought, no way can I do that. I thought about asking like for a April 15th move-in, believe it or not. But then I thought, well, I'm going to have to pay rent anyway. So, well, I'm also order my U-Haul boxes tomorrow and let's get the show on the road. Amazing. So I wanted to share that little miracle story. That literally in a month's time, you could be in a new location if you are prompted and guided to do so. So that is all for now. Please check out our new programs, our new membership program, and our new Awaken to Higher Conscious program. And we are offering, again, new services, Sedona hikes, couples R&R here in Sedona. And please feel free to come visit me and partake of a hike and our other goodies that Sedona has to offer. We are here now to help Sedona become a prototype city of light. Many blessings to you. Have a great week. Have a great life. And until next time, adios.